So data strategy is really, in the simplest terms, a plan for using data with purpose. Gone are the days of the monolithic, big bang, one-size-fits-all data strategies. Today, to be successful, you have to use data with purpose. And the way that we at Search Discovery define that is the executable data strategy. And the difference is, rather than being this big enterprise, this huge idea that you have to put tons of time and resources into, the executable data strategy is an agile methodology. It's a series of sprints to move you forward and to help use data with purpose.